Backyard Miracle Farm. Food is a basic need, and yet there are reports of food supply being threatened, especially during this pandemic. The shortage of food will not only result to hunger but violent uprising. But what if there is a way to create unlimited supply of food for you and your family? Find out here. Backyard Miracle Farm is a system that helps you build your very own sustainable food supply. It provides you a food insurance, so that whenever you are hit with a catastrophe, you have enough food for you and your family. The system was brilliantly designed to give you a steady supply of fresh and nutritious food. You can grow pretty much anything you want and can guarantee that you have organic and healthy food you can eat with your family. Not only can you ensure that you and your family will never go hungry again eating foods that are packed with vitamins and nutrients needed to be healthy, you can also have big savings in your grocery allocation. Foods sold in stores are becoming more and more expensive, and you are not even sure of how they are produced. Imagine the thousands of dollars you can save for growing your own food and not worrying every time you make a trip to the supermarket, because you will never know what hidden toxins and pesticides you are buying with your food. What relief it will be that you and your family is secure even if the food prices go high. You will be creating a miracle in your home for having an abundant supply of nutritious fruits and vegetables and fresh fish, no matter if you only have a tiny space at home or what quality of soil you have. Having an unlimited supply of food in your home is an amazing lifesaver. Backyard Miracle Farm was intentionally designed to be simple and easy to build and use, so that anybody can build and use it without any building expertise or prior experience in farming. For a very affordable cost of materials needed to build this system in a few hours, you can create a steady supply of food. It has a clever design so that one complements the other. One of the key components of Backyard Miracle Farm is the red wiggler worms, which are very vital in making this system better and easier compared to all other farming systems you know. These worms add nutrients and richness to the soil, responsible for producing superior and healthier organic food. Aside from your fresh produce of fruits and vegetables, you will also have a fish compartment that is mess-free, compact and neatly built in. This is the amazing part of this system: each component works together to give you superior produce. The worms enrich the garden's soil, the garden feeds the fish fertilize the plants, and a continuous built-in filtration system produces clean water. That is your food supply, your means of survival in one simple and easy-to-follow system. All you have to do is have the materials and follow the simple step-by-step guide in creating your unlimited food supply. Have your very own automated food farm that can provide you with unlimited nutritious food supply. You will never ever have to worry about hunger or not being able to provide for your family, especially during emergencies. With Backyard Miracle Farm, you can live a safe and healthy life with your family.